Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple way to search within your unread messages on the LinkedIn app for PC. If you've ever struggled to find an important conversation you haven't opened yet, this new update makes it much easier to narrow things down in seconds. Let's get started. First, open your LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look toward the bottom corner of the screen. You'll notice the messaging bar. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up all of your LinkedIn conversations, both read and unread. At the very top of this messaging window, you'll see a search bar. What's new is the filter option attached to it. Click on the filter icon. A small menu will pop up with different ways to refine your results. From here, choose the option that says Unread. This will instantly clean up your inbox view and show you only the messages you haven't opened yet, so you don't have to scroll endlessly through older chats. Once the Unread Only filter is active, type what you're searching for inside that same search bar. For example, if you're looking for a message from a specific colleague or related to a particular project name, just enter the keyword. LinkedIn will now check only your unread conversations and return the messages that match what you typed. This saves time and ensures important new messages are not missed. The beauty of this feature is that it combines two powerful tools: filtering and searching. Instead of digging through every conversation, you're focusing on exactly what you need while keeping the view limited to unread messages only. With just a couple of clicks, you'll be able to organize and locate your conversations in a much faster way. So, to recap, open the LinkedIn app on your PC, click on the messaging bar at the bottom corner, hit the filter on the search bar, select unread, and then type in your search. That's it. It's as simple as that. Now you can make sure no unread message slips through the cracks again, and you'll find what you're looking for instantly.